Hello everyone, I am Ishika and you are watching the Lawinformants channel.
Today, in this video, we will be discussing about the Union and its territories that are mentioned in the Constitution of our India. As you all must be aware that there are 25 parts in our Constitution, and the first part of the Constitution of India deals with Union and its territories. It comprises of 4 articles, that is from Article 1 to Article 4. So let's firstly discuss Article 1, that is name and territory of the Union. Article 1 Clause 1 says that India, that is Bharat, shall be a union of states. Clause 2 The states and the territories thereof shall be as specified in the first schedule. Clause 3 The territory of India shall comprises of the territories of the states, the union territories specified in the first schedule, and such other territories as may be acquired. Article 2 of Constitution of India talks about the admission or establishment of new states. In this article, it says Parliament by law admit into the Union or establish new states on such terms and conditions as it thinks fit. Now, Article 2, Clause A says that Sikkim to be associated with the Union. By the Constitution 35th Amendment Act that was in 1974, Article 2, Clause A read as Article 2A Sikkim to be associated with the Union. Sikkim basically, which comprises the territory specified basically in the 10th schedule, shall be associated with the union on terms and conditions set out in that schedule. Means we have to see the 10th schedule of the Constitution of India that is associated with the Article 2 subclause A. Now we'll be talking about Article 3 that talks about formation of new states and alteration of areas, boundaries or names of existing states. Parliament by law, Article 3 subclause A states that form a new state by separation of territory from any state or by uniting two or more states or part of states or by uniting any territory to a part of any state. That is, increase the area of any state, it may diminish the area of any state, it can alter the boundary of any state, it can alter the name of any state, provided that no bill for the purpose shall be introduced in either House of Parliament except on the recommendation of the President. Only and only on the recommendation of President the bill for the purpose can be introduced in House of Parliament, but without the recommendation of President it can't be introduced where the proposal contained in the bill affects the area, boundaries or name of any states. The bill has been referred by the President to the legislature of that state for expressing its views thereon with such period as may be specified in the reference or within such further period as the President may allow, and the period so specified or allowed has expired. Point which is needed to be considered here is that in this article, in clauses A to clauses E, state includes a union territory, but in the proviso, state does not include a union territory. Secondly, explanation 2, the power conferred on Parliament by clause A includes the power to form a new state or union territory by uniting a part of any other state or union territory to any other state of union territory. So let's come to our Article 4 that says laws made under Article 2 and 3 to provide for the amendment of first and the fourth schedule and supplemental, incidental and consequential matters. Article 4 subclause 1 explains that any law that is referred to in Article 2 or Article 3 shall contain such provisions for the amendment of first and the fourth schedule as may be necessary to give effect to the provisions of the law, and may also contain such type of supplemental, incidental and consequential provisions, that is including provisions as to representation in Parliament, in legislature of states affected by such law as Parliament may deem necessary. Article 4 subclause 2 states that no such law as aforesaid shall be deemed to be in amendment of this Constitution for the purpose of Article 368. Now, as we earlier discussed the point of Sikkim, we discussed in our earlier video, it says that article under which Sikkim was made part of Indian Union, that is Article 2 subclause A. Article under which Telangana was made a part of Indian Union, that is Article 3. These both articles you need to be considered in which articles Sikkim and Telangana was made the part of Indian Union. These are the important points that need to be kept in mind. Article 3, original provision was amended by Constitution. In which Amendment Act? 5th Amendment Act 1955 and on 24th December. Nowhere under Part 1 it is mentioned that India is a federal state. It rather uses the phrase India is a union of states. Nowhere in Part 1 you can say that it's written India is a federal state. In each and every sentence where we read India, it is written as a union of states.
Hope this video is clear to you all, and now let's come to conclusion of this video and let's discuss it in brief once again. That is, it is said that the constitution is the supreme law of the land. As mentioned before, Part 1 of the Indian Constitution deals with 4 articles, as I told you earlier. Article 1 to 4, which explain the Union and its territory. It is a set of laws relating to India's constitution as a country and the union of states that make up the country. The Parliament is a body with the authority to pass laws for the welfare state, but the members of the Parliament must ensure that the legislation proposed and passed does not deviate from the Constitution and, most importantly, does not violate the fundamental framework of the Indian Constitution. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more updates and stay tuned for more information. To know more about the law informants, click on the link given in the description box.